In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a service repair order in the Dealer Team Service app. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Service Repair Orders tab located on the navigation bar. This is your starting point for creating and managing repair orders. Click New. Select an account using the Lookup tool. Now, choose a service vehicle related to the selected account. You can use the Lookup tool to search by VIN or by year, make, and model. The mileage in field will automatically populate with the last recorded odometer reading. You can also enter this manually if needed. The Customer Pricing Strategy field will fill based on the selected account. If you're servicing a vehicle in your inventory, select it using the Lookup tool. Once all necessary fields are filled out, click Save to create the repair order. Now that we've created the repair order, let's add a job line. Go to the Lines subtab and use the Lookup tool to search for the standard operation code by entering the description. These codes are categories of repairs and not specific repairs. The fields will autofill based on the selected code. The pricing strategy selected at the job line level will override the pricing strategy selected while creating a new service repair order. Click Save to add the job line. To attach photos to a job line, click the Attachments tab and click the Add Files button. Select Upload File to choose a file from your computer, then click Open. When it's finished uploading, click Done. When creating a service repair order, information from accounts and store location is automatically applied. Accounts may be tax exempt, and store locations may tax certain services such as vehicle, conversion, labor, parts, sublet, and service contracts. You've now learned how to create a service repair order, add job lines, and attach photos to a job line. Thank you for watching.